When to use XLOOKUP. So with XLOOKUP, you can search for values in a table and return corresponding values from any column within the table. So this replaces VLOOKUP and index match functions for most scenarios. So we have the same table, but here the abbreviation is on the second column. So it's not on the left side, on the most left side. So it's on the second column. So we cannot use VLOOKUP here because we're going to look for the country, and the country comes first in this table before the abbreviation. So in this scenario, we are to use the XLOOKUP. So XLOOKUP, our lookup value, again, we're looking for DZ for the first row, which is under F2 or located in F2. Our lookup array is that particular column where we're going to look for the lookup value. So that's column B under the abbreviation column. Next is the return array. So the return array, that's the column where we will get the result or the return value. So we're looking for the country. So our return array is the column country. Okay. So we have a parameter if not found, what will be the value? So I'll just leave this as, I want to leave it as blank. And are we going to use an exact match? Yes, so we'll use 0. And we're going to search from first to last. So our search mode will be 1. So meaning from the first cell or first row down to the last one. Okay, and we enter. All right, to fill in all the rows, we'll just have to double click. There we go. So that's the use of XLOOKUP.